What's up, active RVers? Welcome to Module 2, where we're going to take a deep dive into macronutrients. So the first lesson, what are macronutrients, or commonly referred to as macros? They are the nutrients your body needs in the largest amounts in order to function properly. So they include protein, carbs, and fats, and each of those play a unique role in fueling your body, supporting health, and keeping you energized. So let's start out with protein. This helps build and repair muscles. They support healthy aging and also keeps you fuller longer. Carbohydrates, these are going to be your body's main source for that quick, sustainable energy, fueling everything from your daily activities that you do to fueling your workouts. And then finally, we have fats, which support brain health, hormone balance, joint support, and they provide that long-lasting energy. And what you want to do is to make sure that you're consuming healthy fats, such as sources from nuts, olive oil, and fish. And so getting the right balance of these macronutrients is going to be essential for maintaining strength, your energy levels, as well as your overall fitness. And so this is with whether you're out traveling, exploring the country in your RV, staying active, or you're just looking to feel your best. And so in these next few lessons, we're going to break down each macro in a simple way. That way you can understand it. How does it help your body? Why does it matter? And what are some easy examples of foods where you can find the macros in?